Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the trade volume index indicator, or TVI for short. All right, so basically the trade volume index is a technical analysis indicator that is used to measure price direction based on the volume of trades. Okay, based on the volume of trade. So it basically helps traders identify whether smart money is accumulating or distributing assets by analyzing price changes relative to volume. So if you are a trader who loves to pay attention to volume, all right, volume analysis when trading or when carrying out your technical analysis, then this indicator might actually come in handy. Unlike other volume-based indicators such as the unbalanced volume or the accumulation distribution line, the TVI reacts to intraday price movements. Okay, so it can actually be beneficial for short-term traders who need real-time insights into market trends. Let's just quickly go to the input, and you can see you can actually modify the signal smoothness. All right, so depending on how sensitive you want the indicator to be, you can modify the signal smoothness. Okay, let's see the style. Of course, you can change the colors, and you can decide if you want the labels on price scale to be checked, values in status line, inputs in status line, all right, so on and so forth. Okay, now you will notice that the indicator, it's not for precise buy and sell signals. All right, it's not for precise buy and sell signals. It's just helping to measure price direction based on volume. Okay, so you will notice that, let's look for a trending market, strongly trending market now. All right, and let's see the relationship between the black line and the red line. Okay, so you will notice that when the black line crosses above the red line, it is a sign to look out for possible buy opportunities. All right, if you are also interested in the numbers, well, you can also look out for the numbers. But if you are just interested in getting insight about possible price direction, then you want to look out for the crossovers between the black line and the red line. So when you have the black line cross above the red, you might want to look out for possible buy moves. And when you have the black line cross below the red, you want to look out for possible sell moves. So you can see what happened here, right? After this crossover, you can see the sell move that took place here. You can see after this crossover, you can see the buy move that took place here. But make sure you always get confirmations before executing your trades, okay? And if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.